Namaste, dear friends. Welcome to my channel and thank you for being here. So today, with this new moon solar eclipse in Libra, I just really wanted to come on and make contact with you and just see where you're at and how you're all doing. And also to do a card reading for you from the Shamanic Medicine Oracle cards. So just take a moment to, just take a deep breath. And this is a time for letting go of the old. We're in the autumn, and this is the time when the trees are shedding their leaves. So it's a good opportunity for us to also shed that which no longer serves us. And this includes old, outdated thoughts, emotions, patterns, beliefs, things that we've really held on to, control of any kind, resentments, fear, guilt, shame, anything that we want to just let go of and move on from now. We've done our healing, we've done the work. It's time to really just kind of release those old emotions now, to step into a new era. So the card that came out today is Birth, and it's very apt, really, and the theme is renewal. So as you can see in the card, it's a picture of a child and the bird and the plant. So this is where we're planting new seeds and really just staying in that childlike wonder, because that's really our natural state before we started having experiences that caused us pain and, had the duality and the conditioning that caused us frustration, and we had to work out all these problems that we had in our lives or have in our day-to-day lives. So returning to innocence is the message for today that's coming through, is really returning to the state of the unknown and the soil almost before we start to put those seeds in. So becoming like a blank canvas so that we can step into a new version of ourselves and start to cultivate the qualities of the new version of ourselves. And we do this with our seeds of intention. So you might feel called to do a little ritual with your candle and your crystals, or just say a prayer and, make these new intentions known to yourself consciously and the universe, and just really put it out there. Put it out there, your desires, your aspirations for your next level self, your next level self-expression, because we're continually evolving and we are in a time of consciousness, a time of conscious expansion on the earth. So it's a very potent time for all of us as a collective, and we're all co-creating this new reality that we want to birth on the earth. So take some time today to reflect and just honor and acknowledge how far you've really come, the work that you've done, the healing that you've done, and set those new intentions and plant new seeds for what you want to experience next in your life, maybe in the next 6 months to a year. And, it's good to not go too far ahead. So just think about, what you want to let go of and not repeat in the coming 6 months to a year, because every year is a cycle, is a new beginning, and we're very close to the next new year, although the new year kind of technically starts in March. So we are coming up to that time, and this is a good time to cultivate new seeds of intention that we can see materialize in the coming year. So I just want to wish you well and send you love and healing and wishing you all the joy and the magic of the autumn, which is such a wonderful time of year as well. And my intentions for this month is just to make it truly magical as much as possible. And if you're interested in holistic life coaching with me, you can also click on the link below and check out my website for more details on that. And with that, I just want to say, send you love and wish you well, and encourage you to plant those seeds, and, not just for you, but for all of us, for what you would like to see happen on Earth, and, the goodness that we are capable of on this planet, and the healing and the restoration of nature, and, making this a habitat that's healthy for not just us, but for all the plant and animal life too. So sending you love and light, and it's goodbye from me for now. Love, Anna Breeze. Bye for now.